Do you want to attach an external wireless microphone to your action camera or mini cameras like GoPro DJI Action Cameras, Insta360 cameras? But most of the devices don't support wireless microphone. But I have purchased a mic. I have tested with many devices and that supported to most of the cameras. So now I will show you that. So today I will connect this wireless microphone to DJI Action 2 camera like this. Now you can see that there is a light blinking. Now I will switch on the microphone, wireless microphone. Now you can see in the screen that there is a external microphone symbol. You can clearly see that the microphone is blinking. So only this mic is supported to most of the GoPro or DJI Action cameras or Insta360 cameras. If you want to use the external microphone in a budget range, and the cost of this mic is also very cheap, but the noise or voice quality is very good. Now you are listening this voice from this microphone only. You can also see that after switch off and switch on, the microphone symbol is